Hi guys, it's Maurice. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be my clean up before bedtime. So I have few things that I really want to do, or I have list that I didn't do during daytime, so I'm going to finish it during nighttime before I'm going to sleep. And it's been a while I haven't posted any video. It's because I went for a trip. I think it's a one one week trip with my in-laws, and I have a little like vlog and tour, so I will also edit that one and upload that one right after this video. But anyway, so let's get into the video. And first thing I do is, as always, cleaning up or washing up the dishes. You might see me here wearing the gloves because these gloves really protect my hands from drying up and my nails from chipping, because soaking in cold water and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna wash all of the dishes and then I'll talk to you later. So right after I wash all the dishes, the new thing that I like to do is to wipe down all the cups, especially all of my cups or glasses. So I just like to wipe them off to be available for the next use. And also a reminder, you might see some of my video here is going to be dark and not in a good lighting because it was a nighttime video and I wasn't able to use my lights. This is just a natural light from my ceiling lights, so it's not that bright, so please beg me with that because I can't really fix all the light and it's just gonna be the way it is. So next thing I do is to just fill up this bottle or soap dispenser that I got in SM, and I just like to refill it every time it's running low. So this is how I'm doing right now. Okay, so after putting the cups and arranging them, it's time for me to take a break and have my multivitamins that I always having twice a day, and then I drink also water. It's room temperature and a cold temperature water. I mix them to have also like a refreshing feeling. And by the way, my multivitamins is a gummy bear, so no problem with that. I love it. And then anyways, after that, it's my time to clean all my appliances using this home cleaning wipes. I really like using this one. It's been a few months already I've been using this and I've been loving it. So that's what I'm going to do, and let's go for it. And I like also wiping my sink because it gives a little bit of shine. So let's add that shine. And then my oven is not that clean actually, guys. The inside has few crumbs, but don't you worry because I'm going to clean that one the next next day. It's not just a part of tonight cleaning. I'm just going to wipe the window and the body of it to also to get the crumbs, so make sure there's no ants. So that's what we're going to do now. And I'm adding up a towel and it looks good now. So now let's go into my fridge. I need to wipe the fridge because you can see a lot of fingerprints, and also my fingerprints and Boris' fingerprints. So it needs to be wiped down at least, I would say, twice a week. No. Yeah, twice a week. Because it's not really that also crazy. It's only 3 people, but once in a while I need to wipe it down, and that's what I'm doing right now. So now wiping down the kitchen counters also is the best thing I always like to do. I'm using Mr. Muscle for tough stain and my DIY peppermint for smells, and this time my counters are not really that